What up, Extraction fam? Today we've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're thrilled to announce our Controlled Crash seminar, where we're going to teach you how to make THCa diamonds at any scale and dominate the game. You heard it right, folks. We're bringing you a seminar to take your THCa crystallization to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or looking to just get started, we guarantee that you're going to learn something new to both increase your THCa production and also ensure that you dominate the market by bringing top-tier concentrates to the masses. The Controlled Crash seminar will be held in our state-of-the-art facility, providing the perfect setting for you to learn and experiment hands-on in the lab. Our team of experts will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you leave the seminar confident and ready to take on the role. Our team of experts have over 10 years experience and are passionate about sharing their knowledge with you. They'll teach you everything you need to know about making THCa diamonds, including the science behind it, the best techniques to use, and some game-changing tech that's going to take your THC production to the next level. But that's not all. We also provide a unique experience that you're not going to find anywhere else. We've lined up a series of exciting hands-on extraction processes taking you through the various scales of THCa crystallization in an actual lab. These methods include jar tech, terpene centrifuges, diamond miners, and of course our game-changing controlled crash method, which allows for 10x in capacity production of THCa crystals. Our 40-foot C1D1 booth ensures that we are safe and compliant demonstrations to keep you engaged and entertained throughout the 2 days. And the best part? You'll get to meet and network with other like-minded individuals who share your passion for all things extraction. Two of the biggest influencers in the game are going to be participating. Dustin Powers and Murphy Murray will be on site and providing their insight and wisdom throughout the 2 days. So what are you waiting for? Head to our website and register today for our Controlled Crash seminar. You know what? I'm going to post a link up in the corner here, so you have no excuses. We promise that this is going to be an experience that you won't forget, and what's going to arm you with the tools and a roadmap necessary to dominate your market. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you at the Controlled Crash seminar. Lots more content to come your way.